Our fitness is a billboard of how well we are caring for ourselves and will directly impact our performance and satisfaction. We are the number one asset in our businesses, so of course, we require pristine maintenance. For my executives, our companies will send us for executive physicals, a full assessment of our health in every dimension, and a clear prescription for how to optimize it. The smartest companies do this because they realize that their people are their most valuable assets. Medical leaves for mental health or heart attacks are not in the game plan for their business success, so they stay ahead of it and design preventative care just for this reason. If it makes good business sense to do this, of course, we can do the same on our own accord. Not only will our careers and businesses benefit, but more importantly, everything and everyone else in our personal lives will too. We know this, and yet we fall prey to the routines and patterns of the day, of society, and of colleagues and peers instead. It's time we learn how to follow through consistently for excellent well-being, physical fitness, and emotional wellness to make us better in our roles as business professionals and at home.